Hi, this video is going to be on the context of Othello. Now, the play was written in the 17th century and it was written in a year that Elizabeth I was finishing her reign on the English throne and James I was beginning his. And these monarchs were both patrons to Shakespeare, which is someone who supports another person financially. So this may have impacted the kind of content he was putting in his plays. And also Othello himself is a rather unconventional figure of drama for this period. So he's often considered to be one of the first black heroes in a tragedy, and also he is considered to be an unconventional tragic hero because although he is a high-ranking soldier, he's not a nobleman or a king, which were often the heroes of Shakespearean tragedies. And also we have to consider the setting of the play. So we have it take place in Venice and Cyprus, and although this may be an unfamiliar link to the people at the time of the play, they may have been aware that the island of Cyprus was owned by the Republic of Venice up until the late 16th century. So hopefully you can see how the context of Othello is useful in understanding it better. Thanks for listening.